Hello everyone. Today is the third session of conditional formatting. This is the last session of conditional formatting. Today we will cover data bars, color scales, icon sets. Let me show you here. You can see data bars, color scales, icon sets. We will discuss about the uses of these bars, how we will perform these bars use. In my previous video, I have already discussed about highlight cells rules, top bottom rules. Alright, now let's discuss today data bar and color scale uses and icon sets as well. Alright, to perform this, let me select a range first. I have selected this range. Then I'll go to conditional formatting, then data bars. You can see gradient fill. What this will do, this will add a color data bar to represent the value in a cell. The higher the value, the longer the bar. Getting my point? If your value is higher, then bar will also be reflecting in a higher scale. See, you can see here, according to the value, bar is showing. All right. Let me remove this condition first. As I told you in my previous video, we'll go to clear rules, conditional formatting, then clear rules from cells. Now we can see what we can do more with this. We have selected this already. Then there are two options you can see: gradient fill and solid fill. The difference between gradient fill and solid fill is, in solid fill it will highlight the color in a solid form, and if you want to select your own color, then you can go to more rules, and here you can give your requirement or what color you want. See, fill with solid fill, color options. Here you have an option to change according to your requirement or what color you want. So you can also try with more data, like I have selected here more cells. Then I am going to the conditional formatting, then data bar colors. You can see it has highlighted according to the value. The more lower the value, and lower the bar also. If the value is lower, then bar will also be small according to the value. I hope I am able to make you understand. Let's move to the next one. Let me remove the rule first. Now, what is the next one? This is color scales. So let me select the range first. Again, we'll go to conditional formatting. We'll go to color scales. You can see what it is reflecting. Apply a color gradient to range of cells. The color indicates where each cell value fall within the range. Alright, there are different colors you can select according to your requirement. You can select the color according to your choice. Alright, here this color reflects according to the value. Like if you want to change and reflect that red will show the higher, Then you have an option, custom option also. Let me remove the rules. If you want to color according to your, like you want to show a red color for the lower one particular, you can see you want two differences, minimum and maximum, then you can select the color of your choice, like lowest value, as what we see in offices. For lowest we always highlight with red, so I'm selecting the red, and for highest value we always prefer green. So I have selected green, so it will highlight what custom rule I have given here. Alright, see, lower values is highlighted with red and higher is highlighted with green. So this is how we can customize also the color rules. Alright, let me remove the condition first again, so that I can apply next rule. I want to show you one more thing which I forgot to mention. Like I have selected this range, and as I told you, you can customize your color, but here there are three options. You can change according to your format style. You can see here 2 color scale, 3 color scale. So if you want to highlight 3 things, then it will give you the minimum, lowest value, midpoint and maximum. So you can also highlight 3 different scenario colors. Alright, you have option to provide 3 color scale. Alright, now let's move to the next one. Let me remove the rule first. Alright, let me select, and then we'll go to next one is icon sets. You can see 3 rows. Choose the set icon to represent the value in the selected cells. What we can see, up arrow will show you the highest value, and right arrow will show you the mid value, and the down arrow will show the lowest value. So this way we can also highlight with this icon sets. Like as I told you, up arrow will show you the highest value, and right arrow will show you the mid value, and the down arrow will show you the lowest value. In the same way, there are different type of icon sets where you can change, and it will show you different, like we have colors also. And in this see, you can highlight with rating as well. The different options have different rules. Alright, you can see highlight with this bars. So there are so many options, and you have also customized options. As I told you before, you can also customize according to your requirement, or if you want to change some, select icons of your choice. Alright, and do like, comment and share, and if you have any feedback, you can also share the feedback in comment section. I will definitely try to look upon your feedback. I'll again come up with a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.